guys, we are finally gonna begin into my winter skincare routine. It's now winter, and you guys know in the winter you have to really keep your skin moisturized, especially if you have dry skin like me. Before we get into this video, I just want to say I've always had like okay to pretty good skin. My skin has never ever been acne prone and anything like that, but now during this whole pandemic going on, you guys, I feel like I'm getting maskne, and I don't know if you guys know what that means, but clearly the two words are together, mask and acne. I'm only breaking out in the areas where I am wearing my mask, y'all. Like, it is so weird to me. I'm not breaking out anywhere else on my face but all on my chin area and my cheek. That honestly has been low-key irritating me because, like I said before, my skin has never ever been acne prone. What I will be using on my face is Noxzema Classic Clean Original Deep Cleansing Cream. Also, to moisturize my skin, listen, this has been really hard for me. I've never ever found anything to like really keep my skin moisturized, to be honest, because when I used to use the Nivea, I believe that's what it's called, Nivea, I felt like my skin was still dry in some areas, especially like right here around my eyebrow, and my T-zone area basically gets really dry, and I felt like my skin was still peeling even after I had applied Nivea on my skin. So I went ahead and I tried the cocoa butter formula for daily skin therapy. It heals, softens, relieves rough, dry skin, 24-hour moisture, the GOAT for my skin. Now, what I'm going to be using today to, help me cleanse my face is the Radiance Skin Care System. This is by Duvolle, and this is also water resistant. You guys know I love Duvolle. They also sent me a straightener, which is a black straightener. You guys see me using my videos sometimes, and I am in love with their products. Duvolle is the truth, and this is how it looks. I love Duvolle. This system has 4 deep cleansing brushes. The brushes spin in motion, removes dirt, makeup, and excess oil more thoroughly than your average washcloth. This skincare system has 2 interchangeable brushes, so you can always be washing your face with a clean brush. And that is a go, because most of them usually only come with one. Now that I have told you guys all about the brush and all the stuff that I'm using, let's now get into, cleansing my face. I don't know if you guys have ever really noticed in my videos, but y'all, my skin is like really only breaking out in this area. So we're going to focus on this area more than the other areas. You feel me? So before I get started, first of all, for this, you'll only need 2 AA batteries. I'm going to go ahead and put my batteries in. Hold on. I think it says 4. Y'all, I'm bugging. Definitely need 4. So let me go find 2 more batteries. I don't know if I told you guys about this brush. This brush right here, this big brush right here, is a large cleaning brush for your body. And y'all, this is going to come in handy. First, we're going to wash our hands. Before you clean your face, anything, you want to wash your hands. And then I'm going to go in with my Noxzema, and I'm going to put some of that all over my face. Y'all, like I'm saying, I'm more focusing on my cheek areas and my chin, because that's where it's more so breaking out due to the mask that we have to wear. Now we're going to just go ahead with our brush, turn it on. The system is, going. I'm going to go ahead and damp that a little bit. Put a little bit of water on that, and we're just gonna, remove all that dirt and dead skin.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so you guys, I did not want to stop, y'all. That stuff felt so good. My skin, like, honestly already feels like, you know how you drinking water? You know how you like chewing on some real minty gum and then you drink water and your mouth just feel like so, I don't know, like refreshed? Yo, my face feels the same exact way, y'all. And I can honestly say this really gets out the dirt more than your average washcloth, and the proof is in the pudding. Like, I see it, and y'all, my face feels so good. It is so relaxing. We're gonna take our brush off. I just can't be great. We're gonna take our brush off, and we're gonna just rinse our brush off. You know, rinse all like gunk and stuff out the brush. And then your brush is new as ever. Your brush is new as ever. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take our washcloth, and you know, just take off stuff that is on our face. Lastly, we are going to go in with the cocoa butter that I love. My skin feels so good, y'all. Oh my god. Like, no joke, my skin feels so good. This is like how much I take because a little goes a long way with this because it's like really oily. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to just put that all over my face. And that is it for my skincare routine, you guys. So before we end out this video, you guys already know I got you guys with a coupon code. My coupon code is ARIE. It's going to be right here on the screen. And you guys will receive 70% off, y'all. 70% off. That's a lot of percent off, believe it or not. If you guys are serious about your skin, go ahead and cop you guys a Radiance Skin Care System. Trust and believe, you are not going to regret it. I love the way my face looks. I love the way it feels. Y'all, this stuff is just amazing. All the info will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.